That is not how to rule a state. When we supported Obaseki, when we supported you, Obaseki, in 2020, that wasn't, we were expecting a servant leader. Somebody who will rule Edo State with the collaboration of the people. What do you want? If you did this for me when I needed you most, I am going to be your servant. It is not about driving everybody away from the state. It is not about practicing the illegality, because even your lawyer said it, that the judge acknowledged the fact that delegates were not allowed to vote. They weren't allowed to vote. So if the judge said that yes, there's an issue here because delegates were not allowed to vote, what is that? It means that there's a problem. You cannot build something on nothing. So we need to come back. We need to ask ourselves, where are we going? And when I hear the issue of, oh, the judge is biased, the judge was biased, it wasn't the judge that did not allow candidates to vote. It wasn't the judge that disenfranchised delegates who were meant to vote. It was the almighty governor of Edo State who believed that he would produce the governorship candidate anyway, regardless of who is not happy. So let's put the blame where it is. But like you said, I'm happy they have gone on appeal so that we know where the fact lies. So that's what I have to say there, that we should let the facts speak for themselves and not we go this way, we go that way. Oh, the judge did not say this. Oh, the judge did not say that. Oh, the judge is biased. Oh, the this is that. We are not illiterates. We are educated. We might not be lawyers. I might not be a law student like you, the winners, but I do know when something is wrong.
That is what the judge used, reasonableness.
Yeah.
He used reasonableness.
Yeah.
Who is the objective man?
Who is the objective man?
He just used that. The delegates or PDP. Who is the objective man?
Yeah. It becomes more worrisome, like I said, because we have gone through that route before. We know about it. We know how people suffered the same internal party supremacy, that the party is supreme, that whatever the party does, you cannot question it. That means you are killing people. Injustice is happening. It has now become a house of injustice, a house where nothing is normal. And you want us to accept it, that, oh, since if it's a party affairs, it's a party affairs, even when people are not happy. No, it can't work like that. I don't like it when they go that route. Issues. Don't say it's a party issues. People are not happy.
We need to correct certain things in Nigeria. If like Lasky Jagger case in England, two men or group, they were inflicting pains on themselves in their private home. They said they were acting based on consent, that they didn't break the law. The law said, but you've inflicted actual bodily harm, which is a criminal offense. It's a criminal offense. They went to Hague International Court of Human Rights. They lost because even if you can't kill someone in your house, you say it's your private house, it's internal matter. Killing, you've broken the law.
Yeah.
So PDP internal matter does not mean you should break the law.
Yeah.
Because it's your sitting room, your living room, you will break the law inside your living room. You will kill someone, butcher the person, and say it's your private home.
No.
You've broken the law.
Yeah, you've broken it. That's the case. That's the case in court that was taken to the court. And then when they say again that, oh, it was they were not actual participants in the election, and the constitution says that it is only the participant that can take the case to court, that can take the case to
The
court.
aspirant, the
The
aspirant,
aspirant. This is not about
aspirant
aspirant or this. This is about people saying we were not allowed to
to
perform,
participate because they
participate.
are participants.
It's a different case. Let's
Yeah.
break it down. Let's break it down. They were selected. They were delegates because of one reason or the other, best known to the governor. The governor decided that they were not going to participate, but they were legally selected, which means that the governor has no right. Once you do that, you have disenfranchised them. It now means that the outcome of that election is questionable and in law might not stand. That is the issue.
The issue is that it might not stand.
Yeah.
So the appeal court, let's wait for the outcome, because the appeal court is going to look at the facts, how the facts of the judgment.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then when you say there was no judgment given, and every leader of PDP is saying we're appealing it, what are you appealing?
What are you appealing?
There was no judgment given, but you are going on appeal. When you file the appeal, what are you going to say? Oh, Judge, no, I know that there was no judgment, but I just want to preempt anything that we didn't understand. We are filing. I don't know, brother. Maybe you tell me.
I think the judge is very intelligent legally. The judgment is very wise because there is implied interpretation in the judgment. So let the federal
expert
interpret it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right.
It might end up in the Supreme Court. Yeah.